What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I want to talk about the Bitcoin price because yes, it's been incredibly boring over the past few days, literally mind-numbingly boring. However, I really think in the next few days, in the next few weeks, we are going to see a massive move to the downside. Particularly in week 2 and week 3 of August, I really think we are going to see some changes. I'm going to take a historical look back at the charts to see exactly last bear cycle, when it all changed, when the switch flipped, and when we started to go bullish. I'm also going to update you about my trades as well, because I'm making a lot of profit trading over on Ubit right now. And also, I want to share you another exchange partner, which I'm going to talk about in today's video, Simple FX, one of the best platforms out there to trade literally everything. I'm going to also talk about this exact pump in gold and silver. Also, a massive, major drop in crypto volume across the exchanges. Over 130 million hacked from this crypto hardware wallet. And also about the liquidation levels, which you need to be paying attention to. As always, guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. I truly do appreciate it. And to give back, drop your comments down below. I'm giving away $100 every single Monday. Get those comments in, slap that like button, and yeah. Also, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Please remember, if you're in the UK, USA, UAE, or Europe, please do not watch or engage with my content. Let's get into the chart, because I've not uploaded for a few days, unfortunately, but honestly, nothing's really happening. It's been the most boring few days of crypto ever. We can see there is some kind of a very vague channel forming right here, a descending channel. Previously, we had this ascending channel right there. We got rejected from this upper level back from previously back here. We got rejected. We formed a falling wedge right there, kind of, and then a rising channel, now a falling channel. And honestly, the market is just incredibly boring right now. As I said in the intro, crypto trading volume across major exchanges has dropped another 15 billion with a B over the past week, and it's down literally 70% since its January peak. And it's absolutely crazy, because there is absolutely no interest right now in crypto, unless it's something crazy happening like a $130 million wallet exploitation or something like that. Nothing's really happening. And I truly do believe, if we take a look at the daily chart, or even if we take a look at this weekly chart, I've been saying this for a long time, guys, if you are a subscriber of the channel, I really do think we have another leg down. If we look back previously at the Fibonacci retracement, we can see this golden pocket here, 0.618 and the 0.65. We did, in fact, drop into that and drop below it, guys, before the bear market was, in fact, over. Now, of course, it won't exactly rhyme. It won't exactly match the same as it did previously. That just won't happen. However, there will, of course, be some similarities. And we haven't even seen this golden pocket here between 58K down to about 54K at the current price levels. We have not even seen this tested. So I really strongly believe and urge you to check the charts yourself. Don't take my word for it. Check the charts yourself, because I do think we're going to see another leg towards the downside. Guys, I've also been trading a lot over on Ubit as well. And currently right now, I have a $25,000 profit Bitcoin short position going on. That's a $600,000 trade. I have a $100,000 Ethereum trade, which is around $500 in a profit. And I have a $200,000 gold long position right here, which is currently $4,500 in a profit. This gold position I actually posted over in my completely free Chart Chaser Telegram group. We can see right here XAUT USDT trade right exactly there, the levels right there, and I've actually kept in this trade, updated everyone in the group, kept in this trade, and it's currently now $4,300 in a profit, around 16%. So that's absolutely amazing, guys. Of course, there is a link if you want to join Ubit down below, but don't let this be you guys. Nobody is more stressed than the guy who's been in crypto since 2021 and still not rich. Of course, it can happen. You can lose a lot of stuff in the bear markets. I've also been through crazy different times and lost a crazy amount of money, more money than some people would make in 10 life folds I've lost, and you always bounce back. So if you're in that position, don't worry. Better times are coming, and you will 100% bounce back and make way more than you previously did. Of course, we can see, because of that trade and because of that call I made in the group, massive pump in gold and silver. Nearly $1 trillion is in fact added in just 8 hours alone. That's absolutely crazy. Could potentially be because of the tensions going on in the world right now. With everything going on, the world is a crazy place. But gold and silver are pumping. I am still in my trade. I'm going to leave it open. I really think we are going to see a final leg down for Bitcoin, potentially to the low 50s or the high 40s. And as I've said before, absolute worst case scenario would be $40,000 for Bitcoin. That would be like the most diabolical scenario would be $40,000. I'm not expecting that, but you never know. Sometimes in crypto, you have to expect the unexpected. And yeah, I do want to talk about SimpleFX as well, guys. I recently published a video on the channel about them. And previously, 3 years ago, I was trading on SimpleFX. So go ahead and check them out. And it's the best way to trade crypto, to invest, to trade commodities, gold, stocks, like whatever you want to trade, oil, whatever you want to trade, you can pretty much trade it over on SimpleFX. And one of the biggest things, as I said in previous videos, is they have a massive $300 first trade protection. So going on right now, I believe it is a limited time only. However, they may extend it. You never know. So check the link down below. Go ahead and join SimpleFX. And actually, your first trade, if you lose, you can claim up to $300 back. So I believe if you go ahead and deposit $500, you're going to get a nice bonus. And also that $500, if you trade it and lose, you can get up to $300 back on that first trade. So it's a really nice trade insurance promotion, which they have going on. And SimpleFX, as I said before, they have so many different things. We can see Bitcoin, Germany, Ethereum, Intel, MicroStrategy, and so many different things across crypto, Forex, indices, commodities, equities, metals, whatever you want to trade, they have it available on their site. And it's a really easy, crazy easy, nice platform to trade on with a mobile app, desktop app, and a lot of good reviews and a lot of good support behind them. We can see the platform itself is very, very simple and easy to trade on. It offers nice leverage if you did want to go ahead and have that risk appetite. It also has a really cool thing on the right side here called Timmy AI Trade Mate, and it's currently in beta. And you can see you can ask it things like, tell me about my Bitcoin trade right here. It tells you exactly how you opened your Bitcoin trade, and it will say, do you want to add a stop loss? I said here, add a 10% stop loss. And again, it went and added that stop loss right there. And you can add a take profit as well. Add the take profit at 67,500. We can see right there, take profit added, and we can see successfully. And then you can go ahead and close your trade right there. Trade fully closed. It's a really cool AI platform. And I think a lot of exchanges could even be adding it in the next few years. But SimpleFX is really ahead of the curve. And it's a great platform to trade on with multiple different things, a trusted platform. So again, I've been trading on it for 3 or 4 years now. I'm going to continue to trade on it. And guys, go ahead and join down below. SimpleFX, the link is right there. So as I said before, major volume shortages across the exchanges, 70% down from its peak in January right there. And we are seeing a massive tail off right there as interest in crypto, in Bitcoin, completely tails off. We are seeing a lot of volume decreases. It's natural. Again, a lot of things happening in crypto. In bear markets, exchanges shut, as we saw in the past couple of weeks. Many exchanges close, and many things happen, hacks and outrageous things. We can see right here, the cold card hardware wallet exploit has resulted in a loss of 2,000 Bitcoin, approximately $130 million. Dragonfly Saseb identified the vulnerability in cold card's code in just 8 minutes, spending only $2 and using AI. He then repeated the test offline, and the same vulnerability was found again in 20 minutes. So this is really, really dangerous, guys. Of course, always people say keep your stuff on cold wallets. Again, there's only so much safety you can do. If the cold card wallet is hacked, what can you do? Many people had their funds in the cold card wallet, and they had the wallet or the seed phrases in safety deposit boxes in banks, and it was still hacked. And some people even said, I never connected my cold card wallet even to the internet. I just got the address, sent it there. It never even had any internet connection, nothing. It wasn't connected to my laptop, never. And again, it was because of the seed phrase hack. This is absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, I don't know what the best ploy is, guys. Maybe buy a brand new phone and only keep it on that, never connected to the internet. I don't know. You can do that research yourself, but I'm using Ledger and Trezor. It's okay for now, but of course there's been many different hacks across these cold wallets. It's just such a big honeypot for these hackers and criminals to go after that it's just so appealing, really, really appealing. As we see right here, guys, on the liquidation heat map, we can see that we're currently stuck between 2 zones. We're no stranger to this. I've covered it in the channel many times. We can see up here at approximately 66K, and we can see down here at approximately 62K. Between these two ranges, nothing is really going to happen. Nothing is really going to change. We need to set a direction right now for the Bitcoin price. And until we do, nothing's going to change. We can go back here and see that, for example, on the 4-hourly chart, if I do this, we can see that Again, these two ranges are right here, maybe even a little bit higher, 62, this range right there, but this 57K is there as well. And until we do find some sort of direction, guys, we're not going to see any movement in the price. I mean, look at this. We've been at the same price now since pretty much the start of summer, 2 full months, potentially going into the 3rd full month. And again, if we take a look back on the weekly chart, we can see that previously, back right here, I believe it was, in August, if we zoom in right there, this was really the start of the last leg towards the downside in this bear market in 2022. We can see it exactly here, August the 15th, the 2nd week of August. That's when we had that big red candlestick and we saw a decline right there from the high to the low of approximately 38% right there. It was only around negative $10,000. However, it was 38% from the current price right there. And again, that started in the mid of August. So again, from the current prices, if we are to see a 38% decline, I think it's probably unrealistic, but that would put the price down here at approximately $40,000, which is my worst case scenario target for the Bitcoin price. Realistically, I think we're going to have a drop potentially about 20%. So again, we can see the range of 20% would be around 50K. I think everyone is expecting a 50K bottom, though. That could be the dangerous sign. So guys, thanks for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. If you wanted to go ahead and trade on any exchange mentioned in today's video, the links will be down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.